मैं आपको वही बोल रही थी, बहुत टेली बिजनेस पॉलिसीज, राइट? तो हमने आई थिंक वी हैड डन द फर्स्ट स्लाइड, राइट? सेकंड स्लाइड हुआ था इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बिजनेस पॉलिसी, नो इट वाज नॉट डन. ओके, we'll finish that answer today. हम लोग बोल रहे हैं business policy we need to study. What's the main reason of doing that? So see, first try to understand what's written here. Guidelines which businesses need to follow. Consider the impact of internal and external environmental forces. Now see, इसका meaning क्या है basically? Guide internal and external environmental. That's why I always keep on emphasizing the importance of external environment, right? So हम लोग internal and external factors. See what happens is, many times I've told you, a business is very much like a challenge. तो अगर हमको कोई challenges when they come in our way, it is our duty to successfully face them, and together everyone achieves more. तो जब कोई team है, when they want to achieve some goals, so they have to overcome these challenges, right? And smart goal आप जो पढ़ा, you have to overcome them smartly, right? तो वही लिखा है. So now go to the importance. This is very easy. क्यों हम लोग ये पढ़ रहे हैं? Basically first one, obviously because it's a part of your syllabus. यही लिखा है यहाँ पे, right? The second point here is for understanding business environment. ये point का meaning क्या है? Business environment you already had a subject in FI, right? What is business environment? Internal plus external environment, right? So internal means see, this is again very much a repetition. SWOT analysis में यही सब आता है, which we are going to do in the second unit. Internal environment means what? आपके कंपनी के जो एम्प्लॉइज है वो आ जाते हैं. एक्सटर्नल मिशन विजन जो हमने पढ़ा है, we have already studied that. आगे भी it's going to come in the concept of strategic intent, right? So for understand external environment I was talking about, उसमें क्या आता है? All pestal environment, right? Political, economic, social, technological, environmental, legal. Why I keep on repeating this again and again is, there might be people who might be attending for the first time, first year में ध्यान नहीं दिया हो, नहीं बैठे हो lectures, right? And बाकी लोग के लिए ये क्या हो जाएगा? This is sort of repetition by heart. I'm trying to do it to you, right? So yes, for personnel development. Okay, now see, this is important. Try to understand the meaning of this. पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, पर्सोनेल डेवलपमेंट है. कैन एनीवन टेल मी, हैव यू हर्ड द मीनिंग ऑफ पर्सोनेल? किसी को पता है क्या है वो? PERSONEL. क्लियरली लुक एट द स्लाइड. पर्सोनेल का क्या मीनिंग है? एनीवन नोस? कैन यू टेल मी? नहीं पता है तो you can tell no, we don't know, it's totally fine. Okay, so see, try to understand personnel ka in simple words meaning is nothing but human resource management. HRM, human resource हम बोलते हैं. So see, try to understand. Normally, like since I have a very good experience in this field, what used to happen in HR is, we people also, making policies was an important part of our job. क्या होता था normally, I don't think I told you this people, but when I was doing my internship over there, job की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, internship कर रही थी, तो वहाँ पे almost at the end of every year, in this November, December, वो लोग उसका survey report लेके आते हैं. Future में you people have to also work on this. क्या होता है? We need to prepare a questionnaire. Questionnaire means what? A list of questions. So see, let me give you an example. You might have seen, many ads, many teachers doing this, research करते हैं. So what happens is, for example, let me give you a simple example. I am studying, maybe the quality, my research topic. So first मेरा क्या problem area है कि quality of education in colleges in Ghatkopar. Now I am making it more specific to study quality of education across commerce colleges in Ghatkopar, right? मेरा वो research का topic है. Now see, for example, people will ask me, ma'am हम लोग क्यों ये research and all कर रहे हैं? The simple answer here is, It could be due to many reasons. So for example, if someone like us, professors, we are doing PhD, right? तो research करना ही होता है. Somewhere else, कई बार companies भी जो होती है, they pay people to do research, right? So उसमें basically क्या होता है, they try to see कि आप उनका product prefer कर रहे हो या competitors का. That's the only reason. So yes, so that's what I was telling you. So coming back to the example, हम लोग ने पूरे list of questions prepare किए थे. Just to give you a few hints, examples, what were the questions? So the first point was, um, maybe see first में for example, even it's a simple thing, right? Whenever we meet someone, हम तुरंत काम की बात नहीं करते. What do we say? General questions. What is your name? What is your gender? राइट, वो सब क्वेश्चन होते हैं. सिंस हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन वर्किंग विद द कंपनी, कितने साल हो गए आपको, राइट? सो वो सब क्वेश्चन. फिर धीरे धीरे वी यूज्ड टू आस्क आर यू सेटिस्फाइड वर्किंग हियर इन गोदरेज. फिर ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछा करते थे, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू इंप्रूव ऑन. तो इन द सेम वे मैं आपको क्वालिटी एजुकेशन का आई वाज टेलिंग यू, अगर इफ आई want to prepare a question, a list of questions. Can you people type in the chat box में research में मैं क्या questions add कर सकती हूँ. See, ये बहुत important question है. थर्ड ईयर में you have to prepare those black books, project books. भी आपको ये questions बनाने होंगे to make a good project. Can you people tell me? See, my question to you was, we want to study the quality of education across commerce colleges in Ghatkopar. ठीक है? I'm not talking about science colleges, neither arts, right? तो आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हो इसमें क्या लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू पीपल. क्या क्वेश्चंस मैं बना सकती हूँ अगर मुझे चाहिए. सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो यही होगा, मे बी व्हाट इज योर नेम, विच कॉलेज आर यू फ्रॉम, कितने साल हो गए, मीन्स आर यू इन फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड, थर्ड ईयर, राइट? फिर आपका मेन क्वेश्चन क्या रहेगा. कम ऑन, आई वांट यू पीपल टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द चैट बॉक्स. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाईज. बताओ मुझे, व्हाट क्वेश्चंस यू आस्क. Come on, every. So see, a simple thing now I'm telling you. ठीक है, if you're not able to answer, I'll tell you. See, don't get confused, people. ये जो concept है, it is nothing but the concept of surveys. हम जो करते हैं, right? आप कई बार survey करते हो. हम लोग क्यों survey कर रहे हैं? Basically, so that we want some information from people. That's the only reason, right? So now try to understand. ठीक है. So I'm talking about quality of education. So what my main questions here would be, are you satisfied being a part of your college? Other question would be, for example, are you happy with the teachers you have? For example, do the teachers, do they give you practical insights? Practical means what? ये तो हम लोग बुक में पढ़ ही रहे हैं, बट उसके अलावा आपको क्या प्रैक्टिकल, in some colleges having internships is compulsory, right? क्यों कर रहे हैं वो basically, क्यों they want you to gain practical knowledge. Other questions could be, for example, आपके even extracurricular development, very important. So what they ask is, outside of studies, are there enough facilities for sports? Are students encouraged to participate? काफी इंटर कॉलेजिएट कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी होते हैं, आप उसमें पार्ट ले रहे हो, राइट? सो नाउ मेरा जो फोर्थ पॉइंट था, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट मीन्स ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट. तो इसका क्या मीनिंग था? सी, हम लोग जो नॉर्मली पॉलिसीज बना, तो फॉर एग्जांपल आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, उनके लिए मैंने पॉलिसी बनाई है. व्हाट इज माय पॉलिसी? टू मेक श्योर एवरीवन कम्स टू कॉलेज फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 hours every day, right? There should be discipline in terms of the dress that they are wearing. Dress code should be proper, timing should be proper, they should have a proper ID card. Basically, why I am doing this, see, try to understand. मैं students को परेशान करने के लिए I am not making these policies. These policies are made not to trouble the student, but उनके भले के लिए मैं कर रही हूँ, right? So in the same way, as a company, whatever policies you will make sure that those are made for the employees, right? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है इंडिया का, वो लोग भी कंट्री के लिए जो डिसीजंस ले आते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ टैक्सेशन, लीगल सिस्टम जो भी है, इट इज बेसिकली डन फॉर अस, राइट, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना डेमोक्रेसी, तो इन द सेम वे आप पॉलिसीज बनाओ वो आपके एम्प्लॉइज के डेवलपमेंट के लिए, डेवलपमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ करियर, मनी वाइज, एवरीथिंग, प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट व्हाट वी कॉल, राइट. So now have you understood this answer? Explain the importance of business policy. ये आंसर आपको समझा? Importance of business policy. Can I move on to the next slide? Anyone has any doubts? कुछ नहीं समझा है? Please ask me in the chat box. Like so this is the question for today's assignment. What is the importance of business policy? See, I've told you right every day, whatever the questions I ask you, it is by but natural implied. You are supposed to write examples, right? Yes. So let me move on to the next slide. There you can understand the example. Thank you so much for replying. Okay. Now I'll share the next PPT with you. See, the first PPT it was already cleared in the first lecture, right? We are second PPT abhi ho gaya, importance of business policy. Now I'm moving to the examples. If anyone has doubts at any point of time, please feel free to ask me. Are you able to see this slide now? Please say yes or no. जो examples of business policy थे. Okay, first of all, tell me one thing. This answer are we done with the importance of strategic management? ये आंसर हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? Because ideally that needs to be covered first. Okay, that is done, right? Answer. Okay, great. Yes. So now today we are exactly 20 minutes to go. So we'll finish up with this example of business policy, right? So see, in a way, I'm happy that we are doing this because yesterday we had a very interactive session, right? There were all of you told about क्या policy हो सकती, right? Okay, 1 minute. Just let me go to the chat box. See, I have sent a common notes on WhatsApp. This PPT has been forward. Pura, I think almost 25 slides are there. So you can link back to the chat WhatsApp and वहाँ पे check कर लेना. I think on Sunday or Monday I shared the slide. ठीक है? So yes, examples of business policy. So that's what see. So today's question would be explain the importance of business policy along with examples. Examples may you'll have to write this. Okay. So first one I told about HR, right? So see, in a way, you are also learning the functions of management. It's like a revision of what you had learned in the previous year, right? Hiring and firing. Hiring means what? Appointing new people. आपकी कंपनी में जो employees आएंगे नए, right? Firing मतलब for example, let's take it that way. A simple example, if a student is misbehaving in our college, कुछ ज़्यादा ही misbehave कर रहा है, being disciplined, what will the college do? Throw him out. हम बोलते ना expel कर देंगे उसको. In the same way, for example, if an employee, normally what happens in companies, employees get into bribery, something unethical. या तो क्या हो सकता है, remaining absent, every time absent रह जाते without informing the company. This is not a good sign. What does this indicate? कि employee discipline नहीं. So for example, if boss expects something from you, आप उसको बोले बिना छुट्टी पे चले जाते हो, that's not a good sign, right? Employee profile. So see, employee profile means what? For example, when interviews actually start in companies, when they want to find the right people to work for their company, so employee profile means what? उसके लिए what exactly they're supposed to go to. So see, वहाँ पे if you go for interviews in future, you will observe over there. वहाँ पे there are a lot of tests that go on. So for example, in Godrej IIT, we used to have 2 rounds of tests basically. क्या होता था in the first round? It was a general test. I mean, just a general. उसमें क्या होता था? Maybe आपको DK current affairs के बारे में क्या पता है? My subject of study was MBA, तो MBA related general questions हुआ करते थे, right? If we clear that, then we move on to the second round. Second round of test was, more maybe in detail. It was very much like how your internals are. Like वो आंसर्स के बारे में पूछते रहते हैं ना. It's more or less like a case study. What they try to know is कि what are your, for example, I'll tell you, let me put you a simple question before you. ठीक है. So my question to you is, for example, if you, when you are coming to the office, if you see someone who's there on the road, okay, no, not that. Let me ask you, वो भी पूछ लेती हूँ, ठीक है? If you see someone on the road who has had an accident, what will you do? Let me, I'm asking you people also, okay? So be alert. The first option, you will just go and, I mean, you ignore a person and go to your work since later in your work. Second option, you will analyze the situation and if permits, you will help the person. Third option is, um, maybe something like, you can say, आप उससे बात तो करोगे पर्सन से, बट देन यू कम टू रियलाइज कि चलो मुझे पुलिस केस है और वो झंझट पे मुझे पढ़ना ही नहीं है, सो चुपचाप बात करके निकल लो. एंड द डी ऑप्शन, आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, यू विल जस्ट बी अ मियर स्पेक्युलेटर. स्पेक्युलेटर मींस व्हाट? तुम सिर्फ देखते ही रहोगे क्या हो रहा है, कुछ काम नहीं करोगे. सो माय क्वेश्चन टू यू नाउ इज, व्हिच इज द राइट ऑप्शन ऐसे केस में? Correct. जो second option था. See, these are very general questions. It determines part of your personality. B is correct. B option क्या था? You wait there, help the person. अगर आपको late हो रहा है तो ठीक है. Nothing is greater than human life. Yes or no? What is your first responsibility as a human? To help others. Correct. One more question I am giving you. Okay, so today I think maybe we can only do HR and marketing. बाकी के examples है, you can write it in the next lecture. ठीक है? I'll tell you what have to write. Okay. So the next question, try to listen to this question very carefully. This is very important. Okay. Think about it and do it. So for example, if your boss, you have joined the company, future की बात हो रही है. Your boss, you come to know he or she is involved in certain type of bribery or corruption. कुछ गलत चीज कर रहे हैं. So now my question to you is, in such a case, what you will do? Let's see, what I mean to say is, if your boss is doing something wrong, and इसके बारे में only you are the person who knows it. That is what the exact question is. और किसी को पता भी नहीं है. What you will do? I'm giving you the option. Listen very carefully. The first A option is to ignore what is happening. See, many people have that thing. Ignore means what? उन्हें जो करने दो, मैं काम से का रख रहा हूँ या रख रही हूँ, right? So वो आपका first option था. Your B option is to help the boss in what he is doing. Pay attention means what? तुम्हें अगर लगा कि चलो अगर मैंने कुछ उसके अगेंस्ट किया तो he or she will throw me out of the, what I'll do is मैं बॉस को हेल्प करूंगा. Third thing, what you will do is, maybe बॉस के ऊपर भी जो मैनेजमेंट होता है, you will expose it to the management, right? And now try to understand the option, last one. You will first of all find the proof relevant. I mean, for example, अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लगा कि वो ऐसा कर रही, तो क्यों वो ऐसा लगा, पहले we have to collect the proof and then we'll tell it to the top management. So now I want you to think, एकदम शांति से सोच के बताओ which option you follow. A option was to ignore what happening. Second option was to support my boss in whatever he or she is doing. The third option is you will clearly tell to the top management. Fourth option, collect all the necessary proofs, then bring it to the notice of top management. Okay, so now let me see what our answers are. Wait just a minute. Yes, most of you good. I have written four. Okay, now see, try to understand. Yes, many times, when we used to also check what some people used to say, some people selected option A. वो क्या लगता था कि for example if we ignore things, many people have that thing कि ignorance policy is the best. That means what is हमें कुछ पड़ी ही नहीं है, जिसको जो करना है करे, हम लोग काम से काम रखे. We actually used to assess papers जैसे तुम लोग चेक करते, तो in the same way वो लोग का भी ऐसे ही होता था. So what I mean to say is A is not the correct option. B is also definitely not correct. What it shows is it's your personal gain. कि आप कंपनी गई भाड़ में, खुद को फायदा हो रहा है इसलिए. No, ultimately work for the company in an ethical way, right? Ethics is very important here. C option जो मेरा था, try to understand why I didn't select C. C में क्या लिखा था? I'll tell the same thing to the top management. Now try to understand. For example, if someone, let's say, एग्जाम हॉल का ले रही हूँ, someone tells me, I'm not telling any name, कि मैम ये कॉपी कर रहा है मेरे आगे वाला. Now see, what he'll try to do is maybe जब वो चिप निकाले that time he'll point out to me, right? अगर in the same में आप अगर बॉस है, आपके सुपीरियर है, he is a person who is there in the company for many years, तो अगर आप directly top management को जाके बताएंगे, why will they trust you? Yes or no, right? So why option was correct. What it shows is you care of the company. And ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें ऐसे एक उठा के चले आए. No, what you are doing is telling them, proof दिखा रहे हो उन्हें, right? कि अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, it is not something that I'm making up the story, right? So आपको ये समझा employee profile. By this we come to know what employees, what we expect from them. Right? The third one is training. Training is also simply, for example, let me give you an example of Godrej. In Godrej, we used to have compulsory 1 week training for all the employees. Like क्या होता था, कहीं से भी कोई भी, like I tell you where I used to work, वहाँ पे आप, I told you yesterday, right? आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिपार्टमेंट में हो, जो कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट में हो, एरोस्पेस, ये into the soaps properties, आपका ट्रेनिंग एक ही जगह पे होता था अंडर HR. तो एक का ये जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम होता था used to be common for everyone, right? What I mean to say is ये एक वीक ये जो ड्यूरेशन है ट्रेनिंग में क्या कंटेंट कवर होंगे, वो सब इट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिसी, क्या डिसीजंस लेते हैं, right? Transfers, very important. See, transfer policy I'm focusing on is once you join the job, it might happen a company like Godrej who has business all over India. So क्या हो जाता है transfer policy. For example, if employee normally see people Mumbai, when they stay here, they have a lot of, what can I say? Lot of people from outside Mumbai, or they stay in a rented apartment. So क्या होता है, normally now if some वहाँ पे क्या हो, दिल्ली में if there is a new opening, वहाँ पे गोदरेज को एक एम्प्लॉय की जरूरत है, and you let's assume आपका घर दिल्ली में ही है, तो आपको बहुत अच्छा पड़ेगा. What will you do? You will ask for a transfer कि सर प्लीज मुझे वहाँ की ऑफिस में भेज दो. क्या होता है, नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपका घर एंड ऑल वहाँ पे हो, बट कंपनी डिमांड है, दे वांट पीपल who want to work there. So what they will do in such cases is, clearly employees को see इसमें one important thing is that I am coming to transfer policies जो है basically it should be made for betterment of employees. See, betterment now, for example, if someone says Delhi is not my home, फिर भी मुझे फैमिली से दूर भेज रहे हैं काम करने के लिए, so try to understand. So ऐसे केस में what you will do is you will make sure employee is getting some benefits बेनिफिट मीन्स व्हाट, मे बी उसको सैलरी में हम ज्यादा बढ़ा के दे रहे, सैलरी एडवांस, समथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? सो ट्रांसफर पॉलिसी का क्या मेन एग्जांपल था, इट शुड बी मेड नॉट टू ट्रबल एन एम्प्लॉय। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई बॉस है, वो ऐसे बोल कि नहीं पॉलिसी इसलिए बना रहा हूँ, चलो मुझे एम्प्लॉइज को एकदम ट्रबल करना है कि चलो वो मेरा नहीं सुनता है, अभी मैं उससे दूर जाऊँ। So it should never be done that way. Okay? The next one is promotions. Promotion policy, as I again said, you know, many times what happens, um, promotions are not always in companies. I am telling you frankly, not always based on merit. क्या होता है when boss likes someone, there's a lot of favoritism, biasness that goes on, right? So company की clearly क्या promotion policy होती है? It should be strictly based on merit. See, it totally depends. Now take the example of government organizations. वहाँ पे based on seniority, right? So it depends from company to company. Wages very important. So see, wages को related की policy होती है, you know, simple example like, you know, everyone should get wages on time, time पे salary मिले. So for example इसमें क्या आ जाता है, you know, some companies, you know, at the end of every month, first of every month they give credit the salaries to the employee. कुछ companies होती है वहाँ पे ना 10th, in Godrej we used to get salary at 10th of every month, 10 तारीख को, राइट? सो वेजेस पॉलिसी में सेम, कई बार क्या होता है, टेल ये जो वर्कर्स होते हैं गोदरेज, दे यूज टू गेट देयर सैलरी एवरी 15 days, राइट? सी बिकॉज यू नो दोस पीपल दे आर क्लियरली नीड ऑफ मनी, राइट? उन्हें एक महीना भी बहुत लगता है, तो ये सब पॉलिसीज जो है कंपनीज बनाती है, right? And the last point is incentives and bonus, very important. So see, bonus means what? Normally you are getting an increment in salary, something like that. आप currently, for example, if your salary is 10,000, तो increment आपकी salary बढ़ के 12,000 हो रही है, right? So every year I'll tell you bonus means what? For example, you know, हमारी salary ये अभी मैंने कहा incentive comes under promotion also. Bonus means what? So for example, you know, in let me give you a simple thing. Uh, every we all know Diwali is a very important festival for us. So क्या होता है नॉर्मली हम लोग भी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नो, सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, हमारे वहाँ पे जो काम करते हैं, काम वाली वाली जो भी है, ड्यूरिंग दिवाली हम लोग उन्हें कुछ ज्यादा पैसे देते हैं, वी देम मिठाई के बॉक्सेस, राइट? तो इन सेम कंपनी व्हाट दे डू टू देयर एम्प्लॉइज, यू नो, उन्हें कुछ एक सैलरी दे देते हैं, जैसे नहीं है salary means a certain, for example, 5,000 giving, that it is given only once during Diwali. पूरे साल भर नहीं मिलता है, right? This is known as bonus. Which bonus का simple meaning है, tell you something extra आपको जो मिल रहा है. Again, it depends from firms to firms. क्या हो जा रहा है basically, you know, many companies they like to give it during Diwali. If you know, अगर कोई foreign, I've seen multinational companies, they prefer giving it during Christmas or New Year, right? So it totally depends from firm to firm. Okay? Companies like Godrej during passing years, जो पटेल हम बोलते हैं, so they used to give it during that time. कुछ companies होते हैं might give it और हम लोग जो बोलते हैं ईद के टाइम पे, right? So at least once in a year employees do get bonus. कई बार क्या हो जाता है, you know, for example, if company has done very good, तो मैंने वो भी सुना है, companies like Reliance and all try to, you know, give the bonus again. दो तीन बार भी दिया करते हैं, right? Okay, okay, okay. So see, now let me do one thing. I'll type assignment question in the chat box. Okay, Jyoti, don't worry. ये जो question है, examples that I am going to again do tomorrow. ठीक है? So आज का जो question था, I am typing it in the assignment, sorry, chat box, since the session is about to get over. Explain the importance of business policy. Explain the meaning and importance of business policy. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल्स आप लोग कल के सेशन में, आई थिंक नाउ वी हैव अ सेशन डायरेक्टली नेक्स्ट वीक, यस, सो नेक्स्ट वीक आई विल डू दिस एग्जाम्पल्स, ठीक है, डोंट राइट एग्जाम्पल्स दिस टाइम। आज का आंसर यही था, एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बिजनेस पॉलिसी, ठीक है। सो आई होप द असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर। एंड सी वन मोर थिंग, अभी इसका भी वीडियो इट विल कम ऑन यूट्यूब, ओके, सो यू नीड नॉट वरी नाउ, अभी वीडियोज आई विल अपलोड। And yes, और एक बात, see when you try to elaborate the points, I would say don't write only the points that is given here. I mean try to elaborate them in your own words. I would really like, you know, अगर कोई है जो नेट पे रिसर्च करके लिख रहा है, I would really appreciate that, right? Yes, don't worry about the attendance. I have taken your attendance already. Yes, तो आपको आज असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन समझा? एंड प्लीज सब लोग मुझे एक ही बार ईमेल करना, राइट, ऑन एवरी संडेज। यस, anyone saying more doubts now? At any point of time the lecture will end. किसी को कुछ डाउट है? एग्जाम्पल्स आई एम गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट सेशन वही होगा, एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ बिजनेस पॉलिसी, सो डोंट वरी, ये जो स्टार्टिंग के पॉइंट्स आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट इट अगेन।